How do I increase the cell width of the Jupyter/ipython notebook in my browser? I would like to increase the width of the ipython notebook in my browser. I have a high-resolution screen, and I would like to expand the cell width/size to make use of this extra space. Thanks. Edit, answer, 5/2017. I now use Jupyter themes, this URL, and this command, which sets the width to 100% with a nice theme.
If you don't want to change your default settings, and you only want to change the width of the current notebook you're working on, you can enter the following into a cell.
That div.cell solution didn't actually work on my ipython, however luckily someone suggested a working solution for new ipythons. Create a file, .css, ipython, or .jupyter/custom/custom.css, Jupyter, with content. Then restart ipython/Jupyter notebooks. Note that this will affect all notebooks.
To get this to work with Jupyter, version 4.0.6, I created .jupyter/custom/custom.css containing.
It's time to use JupyterLab. Finally, a much-needed upgrade has come to notebooks. JupyterLab uses the full width of your window like any other full-fledged native IE by default. All you have to do is